Today we are going to talk about difference between a backup and an export file, right? Okay, so first of all, let's make a backup file and then we will create an export file. Then we will check what is the difference between backup and export. Let's create a backup file. Just files, then we can backup, then backup name, just backup, then you can see the backup file created, right? Okay, then we can drag and drop here. Okay, the backup file here. Now we are going to create an export file. So if you want to create an export file, you should go to the terminal. Then if you want to export firewall, like, right, so you can just go to IP, then firewall, then you can just write export, then give a file name, just you can write export file, then just press enter. Then file already created. Where from you can collect the file, just go to the files, then you can see there is an export file, right? Okay, same file you can drag here. Okay, then there is backup file, also export file. So what is the difference between the backup and export? You can open Notepad, then open the Notepad, then just drag here, then you can read the export file, right? You can read the export file. That's good. Then again I am opening another text file, then just I am going to drag and drop here. Then we cannot read our backup file. So what is the difference between export and backup? Export file you can read, but backup file you cannot read. Thank you.